So here I'm going to show you how I created my red twisted or twirly quirls. So as you can see, I have taken 2 mm cord, braided cord, and then 5.0 mm crochet hook, and then I am going to start. So first I am making a loop like this, and and you can see the smaller end, and then taking the bigger end through the loop. So like this, take the bigger end through it, and then pull both, or the small I mean, I'm just creating it like this so that I can create a small end, but you can always pull the uh, loop, and then as you can see, you can always make the hoop or loop smaller by pulling the longer end, and then what you will have to do is just like hook it and then take it out, and this is how you will create the chain. So I am going to continue and create the chain of 15. For this one you can always create 15 or 20 as per your choice of length. So here I made a chain of 15. Now what I'm going to do is start making the loopy part. So here, as you can see where we are, I'm going to take the second from here, not the first one, leave the first one, this, and then go on to second one and push this hook and then pull and make another chain, as you can see here. So I'll be making, so this is how we make another chain, and then I'll be making the same like this one. So the first one is completed. I'm going to create from the same hole again. So here I've created second one, and then I'm going to do another one from the same hole, as you can see. Right, and this is, so basically we are creating 3 from the same hole, and we're gonna keep doing this until we finish it. So basically in all 15 chain we're going to keep creating 3 loops in one hole, so as you can see, and then this is how this will become this twisty part, and and it will start twisting by itself as you keep doing it. So you keep doing it, and then you'll see how it turns and how it twists by itself. So here you can see it has already started twisting, and once you keep doing it, and you will see these are rolling part as well, so it will start rolling as well, those twists. So here you can see it has started rolling, and then if you keep doing it, you will see the length of at least 6 inches. So after if you are making out of 15 chain, then you will get the coral of 6 inches long. So this was our last part, and then I'm now going to cut the end like this, and then just take the end out of the last loop and then pull it hardly, and then you can just tie both ends, and that's how you made yourself a very beautiful coral. And when you're going to hang it in your tapestry, it's going to look really beautiful. And yeah, I found this it just becomes really nice, and using macrame, this thin macrame, it becomes really hard when you were making knots, but using crochet hook, I found it really easy. Hope you all like it, and hope it was very helpful for in your making journey. And please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.